Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Kareem from Mathemagic. Ready to do some math? Alright, today we are learning about even numbers and odd numbers. So first, if you understand the idea, this will be a little bit easier for you. So an even number is a number that you can separate in half and you have no remainder. I'll give you an example. 2 is an even number. Let's say we have 2 sweets. If I separate it into 2, you get 1 sweet, I get 1 sweet, there's no remainder. Like there's not another sweet that we need to give to someone. There's just 2 sweets, right? However, 3 is an odd number. If I separate 3 into 2, I can't quite separate it. Like you get 1 sweet, I get 1 sweet, but then we have 1 sweet left. And so we call this number odd because there's a remainder of 1 when you separate it in half. So an odd number is a number that you cannot have, but an even number is a number that you can separate in 2. So in these questions, you need to understand that we're going to try and see whether we can halve it and we have no remainder, or if you can't halve it and you have a remainder, then you say it's odd. So each time you have to decide if it's even or odd. So remember, even, you can halve it. Odd, you cannot have it, or you can, but there's something left over. So we're going to look at the example here. Here we have 7, and we have 7 flowers, and we've made a group of 2, a group of 2, a group of 2. So all these can be separated in half, but there's 1 flower left over, and so you see the example is circling odd. And then here, I don't know what this is, but we have 4 of them, and so I make a group of 2, a group of 2, and then there's nothing left over. So because there's nothing left over, we say this is even, and because it's even, we circle the word even. This was the number 4. Okay, so now we're going to look at the number 6, and I'm going to circle my butterflies. So I've got a pack of 2 butterflies here, I've got another pack of 2 butterflies here, I've got another pack of 2 butterflies here. So the number 6 can be separated into 3 packs of 2 butterflies, so therefore it's what we call even. Okay, cool. Let's go to this number 11. So 11, even or odd? Well, let's see. I'll do a pack of 2, 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 and I'm left with this little one out here. And so this is not even because I'm left with a remainder. So this is what we call odd. So every time your teacher at school is asking you, is it even, is it odd? This is a good way to think about it. Another way to think about it is it in the 2's times tables? So we did a video on skip counting by 2, and so if you can skip count by 2, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. But if you can't skip count by 2, it's an odd number. So that's something else you can think about. Well, anyway, let's use our first technique here because this is quite useful. Now, I could just make a big packet here and say that all this is divisible by 2. Like I could draw a line through the middle and halve it into 2 separate blocks. This is 15. So I could do 7 blocks of 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I can halve all this, but I'm still left with that 1 flower on the outside. So I'm going to say this is odd. So here I have my 3 B's, and I'm going to make a pack of 2 B's, and I've got 1 B left on the outside. So what is it? Yes, you're right. It's odd. Okay, let's keep going. Do our homework. When you do your homework, make sure you do it right. Make sure you do it fast. Make sure you're happy about it. So here there's a whole pack of 10. Now you know that 10 is 5 and 5, right? So 10 being 5 plus 5, you know that it should be even because it's 2 packs of 5. Like if you had 10 sweets and you're to give it to your friends, so you'll give 5 to your friend, you'll keep 5 for yourself, or you'll give it to 2 friends. So you can separate this into 2 blocks of 5, and then you can say, okay, well this is definitely even because I've got the same number of sweets, 5 and 5. So here I could do 14. So 14, again, I can skip count. I can say 10, 12, 14, and 14 is even. There won't be anything left over. I can see that already. But you could do like packs of 2, packs of 2, packs of 2, or you could do 2 packs of 7. But there's nothing left over. So you can separate it exactly in the middle. You can exactly halve that quantity. So as soon as you can halve a number, then you know that it's even. If you can't halve it, then it's odd. So this was odds and evens. I hope that next time you see this at school, you're not super confused because it's not that bad. Remember, if you can halve it, it's even. If you can't halve it, it's odd. Okay? thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Click the little notification bell so you can see when a new video is being released. Make sure you concentrate in maths at school so that you do your best and you get good grades. Make sure you listen when your teacher's talking so it doesn't go blah 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 blah. And I hope you enjoy your journey in mathematics, because there's a lot to learn. It's a beautiful topic, and as long as you concentrate and you do your work properly, you'll do really well. Okay, I'll see you next time on the channel. Thank you. Bye.